In this video, we demonstrate Viola, a system solution for trustworthy sensor notifications in mobile systems. Currently, mobile operating systems do not enforce any notification for the use of sensors. As can be seen, an application is able to record audio using the microphone in the background and without any notification to the user. In Viola, we have developed a simple notification that blinks the LED whenever the sensor is being used. In order to make the notification trustworthy, Viola enforces notification with formally verified runtime checks that can detect and block most malicious attempts to disable the notification. After blocking such malicious attempts, Viola simply force reboots the system.